Today's unboxing is on the Era Car Liberty Walk Suzuki G-Mini series. Big thanks to Era Car for sending this to me to review for you. It comes in 4 color variation, and I also did a video on the G-Mini in black. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the Suzuki G-Mini in khaki. Comes in the standard Era Car packaging. You can see the rising sun for the Liberty Walk. Very nice, I like the color, looks very adventurous. The huge LBWK logo is loud and arresting. Comes with a carbon fiber hood and also the LBWK branded seats in the interior. The front packs a punch of detail with the LBWK logo. All the G-Mini also comes with a serial number. The spare wheels that comes in rubber also feature the LBWK logo. The opening hood also features the detailed engine compartment. Next, the Suzuki G-Mini in orange. Wow, it's a very nice shade of orange, very refreshing and very striking in color. Specs wise, it's totally the same with the LBWK modification. Comes with a carbon hood and overall a very detailed casting, including the rubber spare wheels that is identical to the wheel set. The antenna feel elastic, and overall this is quite a hardy casting without any fragile parts. Next, the Suzuki G-Mini in fluorescent green. This casting reminds me of the Suzuki Jimny, which I come across in Shin Osaka Station in November last year. It's a very compact and kawaii Jimny. Very cute livery. And see the made in Japan. Same opening hood, this time without the carbon treatment that reveals the compartment. And on the spare wheels, you can see the first collab Liberty Walk with chrome treatment on the side. Lastly, the G-Mini in matte black. I always love casting in black. It looks more down to earth and it looks more fierce. A very clean casting with sharp features. The only LBWK logo you can see is on the spare wheels. Otherwise, the specs are all the same across all the 4 casting. And it pairs very well with the earlier G-Mini that sports the LBWK logo. Overall, these G-Mini castings are very impressive. And if you are a lover of Suzuki Jimny, this is definitely the casting for you. More Era Cars unboxing coming. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.